There's an old saying in the crypto community, not your keys, not your coins. For as long as digital assets have existed, the efforts we make to protect them from theft or loss or prying eyes has shaped the way we interact with cryptocurrency. In the early days, most investors quickly learned that leaving funds on an exchange was an invitation to disaster. The fall of Mt. Gox, followed by numerous exchange hacks, insider thefts, protocol exploits, wiped out entire fortunes in an instant. This gave rise to the concept of the cold wallet, a device deliberately kept offline to eliminate the threat of remote hacking. I actually have a post on my website where I track all the major hacks with over 200 entries, and we're talking only the big ones. I will drop the link in the description, you should check it out. In the meantime, let's dive deeper into the subject. Welcome back to Crypto Corner Peeps, the place where we talk everything crypto. My name is OJ, crypto analyst and investor for 10 years already, and since we're talking cold storage today, let me start with the obvious. What is cold storage? In short, this is any method where private keys are kept offline, like paper wallets, hardware wallets, metal backups, or even a USB drive, but one that's never connected to the internet. But not all cold storage is equally secure. For years, cold wallets were seen as the gold standard for security, the unhackable vaults that stood between your assets and the chaos of the internet. But technology never stays still for too long. Earlier devices were powered directly with your laptop via USB connectivity. Built for the long term, they didn't care for batteries or mobile phone apps. As cryptocurrencies gained traction and mainstream adoption, hardware wallet manufacturers began searching for ways to improve convenience. Second-generation devices became sleeker, interfaces are more intuitive, touchscreens, and eventually wireless connectivity became useful. Bluetooth-enabled wallets emerged, no cables required, quick pairing with your phone, transactions managed with just a few taps and on the go. It felt modern, frictionless, and aligned with the expectations of a new generation accustomed to wireless everything. And yet, with every innovation comes a hidden cost. The moment hardware wallets went wireless, they stepped into a world of new attack vectors. While Bluetooth is convenient, it wasn't really built or designed with the uncompromising demands of crypto security in mind. Bluetooth exploits, some theoretical, others proven, started to highlight cracks in the armor. Security researchers demonstrated vulnerabilities that could potentially expose data or allow malicious access to interfere with wallet connections. And in the world of cryptocurrency, even a minor lapse in security can be devastating. Unlike traditional finance, there is no undo button. There is no fraud protection hotline, no central authority to bail you out if your funds vanish in a day. We've seen this story play out too many times. Clever hackers probing wireless protocols, malware waiting silently on a smartphone, intercepting signals, entire wallet models coming under scrutiny because of exploitable flaws in their wireless implementations. Even when manufacturers patch these issues, the truth remains uncomfortable. The more channels of communication you open, the more doors you create for potential attacks. And when those doors are wireless, invisible, and persistent, the risks multiply. This is where air-gapped wallets enter the conversation, not as a minor improvement, but as a complete rethink of what security means in the crypto space. Air-gapped wallets deliberately cut themselves off from any form of direct online or wireless communication. They do not connect to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB in the conventional sense. Instead, data transfers take place through methods such as QR codes or micro SD cards, channels that are far harder to compromise remotely. By severing the wireless lifeline, air-gapped wallets return to the original promise of cold storage. Your private keys never leave the device, never come into contact with a potentially compromised computer or smartphone, and never risk exposure through exploitable wireless connections. But don't get me wrong, I don't only rely on air-gapped wallets. Right now, I have a couple for my serious stacks. The Elipo Titan 2.0 and its smaller sibling, the Titan Mini, are the ones that I use for my long-term holdbacks. At the same time, I use a variety of other wallets like OneKey, SafePal, and Tangem, devices that use wireless connectivity. That's fine because they serve a different purpose. For day-to-day transactions or more frequent use, wireless devices are more practical. It's all about using the right tool for the right job. So for long-term holdings where security is paramount, I stick to air-gapped devices. I've had and I've tested and used several air-gapped devices by Keystone, Kobo, SafePal, Elipo as well, and I've reviewed them all on this channel. But as of right now, my preference just goes to Elipo. Elipo is a company that creates only air-gapped devices. This is their core philosophy, and I'm on board with that. Cold wallets were always meant to be about separation, about keeping your assets in a fortress that no one could reach. Air-gapped wallets like this one here didn't just bring us back to that principle, they perfected it for the modern age. They remind us that true security doesn't need gimmicks, it doesn't need constant connectivity. What it needs is discipline, thoughtful design, and a refusal to cut corners. This one here, the Elipo Titan 2.0, is with a sealed metal body, very sturdy. Excellent security architecture. It uses a CCEAL5 Plus secure chip, and it has a self-destruct mechanism against any forced entry, so it gives perfect protection that feels as reliable as it is refined. I particularly like that it has a big color touchscreen for easy signing, and QR code transfers are fast and reliable. There's no need to balance convenience against safety here. With the right air-gapped device, you get both. You get the confidence of knowing that your assets are truly beyond reach, paired with the satisfaction of using something designed for both practicality and peace of mind. In many ways, air-gapped wallets represent a return to first principles. They remind us why cold wallets were created in the first place, not to be flashy or convenient, but to stand as the last line of defense between you and the ever-adapting ingenuity of cybercriminals. At the same time, when billions of dollars in digital assets are being stolen each year, and attackers are becoming more and more sophisticated, the need for true uncompromising security feels urgent. Air-gapped wallets may not be the trendiest gadgets in the crypto space, but they are certainly the most trustworthy. For some, the compromise was acceptable. It won't happen to me, they thought, but history tells a different story. No one ever thinks that they will be the victim of an exploit until it happens. The hack isn't just theoretical when your life savings vanish in seconds, and when you watch your coins disappear into an untraceable wallet. The sting of regret is sharp. You remember the warnings, you remember the doubts, and you wonder why you didn't look for a better answer sooner. So you watching this video right now is a very good first step. The next step, of course, will be to pick the right device for you, and for that I actually have a free ebook that you can use. I've got all of my reviews of different cold wallets in there, air-gapped and non-air-gapped, so you can go through all of these reviews and decide which is the right one for you. It's a free ebook, you can scan this QR code or you can get the link from the description below. And also, if you choose to get this device or any other Elipo product, I have a discount code, it's CryptoCorner. You can apply this at checkout, you can grab the link from the description below, or you can even just go directly to their website, pick whatever products you're going to be buying, and at the checkout stage, just enter the coupon code CryptoCorner, one word, capital letters. It's gonna give you the discount. And of course, it's important to know that not everyone sees air-gapped wallets as the perfect answer. Critics argue that they sometimes feel a little like an overkill, adding extra steps to a process that most users just want to be quick and simple. Instead of tapping a button on your phone via Bluetooth, you're scanning QR codes, moving data back and forth, and it's slowing the flow of transactions. For someone who trades frequently or who only holds a modest amount of crypto, this can feel like an unnecessary friction. Others point out the higher price tags of some premium models, or the fact that while air-gapped wallets shield you from remote exploits, they can't protect you from every risk. Supply chain attacks, physical theft, or plain human error still exists. These criticisms are valid. They remind us that there is no perfect solution, only trade-offs between convenience, cost, and security. In the end, choosing how to secure your crypto is less about following trends and more about understanding your priorities. Do you want speed and convenience, or do you want peace of mind and no signal, no invisible connection, no exploit can ever touch your keys? For those who have lived through market chaos, seen the exchanges collapse, or simply felt the knot of doubt when connecting a wallet wirelessly, like I have in some past setups, The answer becomes very clear. Airgapped wallets aren't about paranoia, they're about confidence. They're about peace of mind, knowing that your assets are where they belong, untouchable and undeniably yours. So this is why in today's video I decided to discuss this topic, to bring more awareness of the fact that many people are still a little bit blasé about, the type of wallet they're using. Pretty much everyone I know is still choosing convenience over security. I mean, most hardware wallets are really secure and everything, but if you're holding a big stash of coins, I think Airgapped is the perfect solution. Now, this is personally my own opinion. You don't have to share that, but let me know, guys, in the comments below. What wallets are you using? Are you bothered about Airgapped, or are you perfectly fine with your wireless Bluetooth connected device? Let me know. I'm curious to know what kind of brands you're using, which devices in particular, because this will also help me create more valuable content for you. And if you're new to this channel, well, hello. Hit the like button, show your support for this content. Also, hit subscribe. All of my content is free and has been free for the last 10 years. Scan this QR code to get my free ebook. This is where you're going to find all of my reviews of all of the top hardware wallet brands. I've been reviewing them for quite a few years already. So if you missed any of my reviews, the ebook is the perfect solution for you. Make sure you choose well, because having the right device is literally the most important part. Well, this is everything I have for you for this video. Share this with someone else who will benefit from watching it. And also, pick the next one, and I'm gonna see you there.